How to turn on allow and do send on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Yahoo Mail. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture. After you click on your profile picture, click on settings. Now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find allow and do send right here, as you can see, and click here and it's turn it on successfully. I hope it was easy for you and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.